Amazon's new AI Canvas tool and Seller Central is free and it's pretty powerful. So I'm going to be showing you it. And there's always updates that you don't see on Amazon. And this is just a part of it. So I'm kind of going over it. This is what Amazon announced. So you could see you type in, I want to grow my sales. What do I need to do? Right? Just like AI. And then it says, I outline trends and key insights. Let me show you my recommendations on this canvas. The big thing about this, you could see what it made, is it's within Amazon Seller Central and it's made by Amazon. So the data is accurate. It's not hallucinating. It's not making things up. That's the biggest thing that I've seen about this is you can ask it to do something and it potentially will create it. That's what Amazon's claiming. We're going to go over it towards the end of the video. So if you're just typing in something, can you make this dashboard? What do I need to do to increase sales? Why is this product not doing good? Essentially, it should be able to tell you what to do and even help you take action on those, right? So you put it question in, it thinks about it, it gives you a answer, and it actually gives you a pretty much like a breakdown, a whole little hub on what you can do. How can I get the best return on promotions I'm running? Here's the canvas with your promotions performance. Best deals have been working great. And then this is where I'm talking about. So you see the approve button. So you just essentially click approve, and then it would automatically create that coupon or that ad for you, supposedly, right? Which, I mean, just seems phenomenal that it's even able to do that. And so just being able to click a button, just like giving a bird a special note and just having it fly away and doing its job and just praying that it's actually going to do its job is one of the biggest things on Amazon, because we know Amazon sometimes things may look great, but they're not actually. And this is actually from Amazon. I'm surprised they added this. I would like to invest $1,000 in promotions. What should I spend it on? With $1,000, it tells you what to spend it on. And it says when you're ready, click here. And look, you can click approve right there. And it's automatically going to be running this coupon or this strategy for you. I'm very surprised because this shows that Amazon's very pretty much positive, and they do believe in this tool. They trust the tool. If they're willing to bet $1,000 on it, because nobody wants to lose $1,000. But what we can do is we can actually look at it together in this view. And if we're looking at it right now, so you can go into Amazon Seller Central. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the top right-hand corner, New Seller Central. Okay. Once you're there, it's going to look all messed up, in my opinion. It's a whack, right? But you're going to get on the left side, like you're going to have the ability somewhere to talk to AI. It's going to be the seller assistant in this area. And this is going to be the canvas, right? And then we're going to do tell me what items I'm running out of stock on and how many days until I'm officially out of stock and how many units I should send into Amazon FBA. Okay, so this is the next step. So it says looking into that. This could take, I'll analyze your FBA inventory to identify products. We'll zoom in for you. Products running low on stock, calculate days until stock out, and provide restock recommendations. Now let me get sales velocity data to calculate days until stock out. Now I'm hoping it's going to make a nice little chart for me, because if not, then it's lame, right? So that's what we want. We have and then while this is loading, what we can do is look into the canvas. It's made this canvas. So pretty much what it did is, what did we say? Analyze my sales traffic buy box trend for the last 6 months, including month over month, view, provide actionable insights to grow. And this is what it kind of created. It looks like all of these, and it has like a marketing, impression, finance, explore with canvas, manage performance, customize. This is like a report, but it's like a really, really good hands-on report, which is awesome. So that's pretty awesome that it's able to do that. Okay, so it did it. No, I want you to make a, what is it, like a canvas of this data so I can view it, just like a detailed report of everything and what you recommend. I just started like spelling things wrong, but let's just see. Let's just see. It could take a few seconds. Okay. We'll see. So create shipment right here, ads console, add products, manage products. I'll create a comprehensive inventory health report with all the details and recommendations in a clear visual format. I mean, if it's able to do this, right? A lot of these people that are hired on for Amazon, like pretty much personal assistants, they are probably going to not be needed anymore if you could just ask Amazon and it does it. All right, so it honestly, it did not provide the. I mean, this is actually pretty good. Can I move it out? I can't. So that's what we're gonna have to. I'm having to figure out. Like, let me see, new chat. So maybe if a new chat or something, but you can pretty much see the opportunity and the power. I'm sure there's a way for me to bring this over here into a new canvas. So, but I probably have to click around. But it's amazing to see. I'm gonna play around with these, and I'm gonna get another video about this. But just showing that this does work is something new. And if you did learn something new, definitely drop a like because the tools on nobody's talking about this tool. First off, very surprised. And this tool is a game changer. If you know how to prompt it, if you know what to say, you can definitely use it to help your business. It's a no brainer, 100%. Now, if you do need help on Amazon, we're Amazon consultants. The link's right in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.